Experiencing glitches with your Nissan Qashqai's infotainment system? A reset is often the first and simplest solution. There are primarily two types: a reboot, which is a soft reset like restarting your phone, and a factory reset, which wipes all your personal data and restores the system to its original settings. Display fixes specifically target screen unresponsiveness or calibration issues. We'll focus on how to perform these resets to address common problems like freezing, lagging, or connectivity issues. Note that while resets can be effective, they're often a temporary fix, and software updates from Nissan are crucial for long-term stability. Let's walk through the reset procedures. First, for a soft reboot, simply hold down the power button on your infotainment system for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. This clears temporary memory. For a factory reset, navigate through your system settings. Typically, you'll find a Reset or System menu, then an option like Factory Reset or Master Reset. The location varies by model year. Be aware, this will erase all saved data. Confirm the reset and wait for the system to reboot. For display fixes, some models have a diagnostic mode accessible by pressing specific button combinations. Check your owner's manual. This mode often includes a touchscreen calibration option. Always perform resets while parked for safety. If problems persist after these steps, consult your Nissan dealer for further assistance, as hardware issues may be present.